Oh my goodness, it's black.
Malamig, malamig.
Oh shit!
Kamusta
guys? Welcome back to our channel. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Pat.
And I'm Kat, and we are
The Drug Queens!
We're all about drugstore and affordable and local products.
Speaking of local products, recently we just received products from Krave Minerale.
Today's video is gonna be about them and the products that they gave us, namely yung kanilang mask. So we have here yung bubble mask and yung kanilang face scrub. So kung gusto niyo malaman how they perform, then please keep on watching.
So, tatanggalin muna namin ang aming lashes and lipstick. Before we try out the mask, I will use the scrub mask.
And I will use the oxygenated bubble mask.
Sa akin kasi kailangan ko tanggalin yung aking mukha. Mali. Kailangan kong tanggalin yung makeup. Siya kasi.
I will try and test kung kaya ng bubble mask nila mag-cleanse hanggang, hanggang makeup level. Tingnan natin.
Alright.
Ayan, wala na tayong lips and lashes. Pero meron pa rin akong foundation. Si Pat wala na. As said a while ago, ako ay gagamit ng oxygenated bubble mask. And if I may read to you kung ano yung kanyang details.
Yes.
Okay. This is the trendiest way to detoxify your skin.
Has several herbs and botanical extracts. So this bubble mask can detoxify your skin, deep cleanse, lightens discoloration, and it is formulated to replenish the levels of oxygen in your skin, smoothing out wrinkles, restoring a youthful appearance. Okay.
So, ang isang tub na gantong size is 480 pesos.
Mine naman is the black rice and super berries. So, from their Instagram, it says na yung black rice, it was harvested from Mt Ifugao. Tama ba ako? Mt Ifugao. So, again, hindi lang sila locally made, but also pati yung products talaga namang galing dito. And then, also, ang black rice nila, mainly, what it does is like, kung sa'yo, nagpapatanggal ng wrinkles, akin, anti-aging siya. Okay? So, meron talaga silang thing with aging. And youth. And forever young. Excited to try this. And this one is 70 grams for 200 pesos. So, marag na tayo chumatchat pa, chumatcha, at cha-cha-cha. Tayo ay maglagay na ng mask because we need it. Okay. Oh my goodness, it's black.
Amoy fruits. Yung sa akin kasi, very sensitive siya to air. So, di ko siya pwedeng buksan na matagal.
Okay.
Pero, ang inside niya is color gray.
Amoy.
And amoy charcoal mask na na-try namin before.
Okay, we are going to try it now.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
So, kay Kat, meron siyang,
Spatula.
meron akong kuko.
So, yung tub nga pala may kasama ng spatula. So, magandang idea. Ay, ang sarap.
Ay, batang may laban.
Malamig, malamig. Ang feeling ng sayo. Magaspang.
Magaspang. Pero tignan mo, nako-cover niya agad yung mga gusto kong itago sa buhay.
Nakaputi pa one din. Oh, shit!
Agad na pa sa packaging nila, nakalagay dun yung no?
Directions, yes.
Directions, how to use it. Which is really helpful kasi not everyone knows what detoxifying cleansing masks are.
Para saan siya, para siya gamitin.
Yes,
ano
exactly.
Dapat. FDA approved sila, babe.
Yes,
yung
actually.
Napaka-innovative lahat ng product nila.
And yet, no chemicals na involved and lahat sila organic talaga.
Ayan, so sabi dun sa directions, wait lang daw ako ng 3 to 5 seconds. Pag start na daw siyang mag-bubbles.
Ako, leave naman siya for 10 minutes. Babe, nagbabubbles na siya!
I cannot
Lapit
see.
ka! Ayan, nakikita niyo na ba? Nagbabubbles na siya!
Ang messy nga lang niya.
So, we'll be back kapag fully bubbled na talaga siya. Okay?
Bubbles. Mandiri kayo, guys.
No!
Kasama din kasi sa instruction is to massage your face. Pero girl, can I say, you're so beautiful.
This is my true color.
Can you tell them your experience while I massage my face?
So, yung scrub, talagang feels like kasama sa tinatanggal nila yung dirt. So, feeling ko kapag winash na to, sobrang puti ko na. Charot. Girl, magkakulay na tayo.
Yeah! We're gonna
Rinse.
rinse na and we'll be back. Tagal naman ni Pat.
Ito na.
Pat!
Ito na. Bumata ako, girl.
Ang bilis naman ng resulta.
Oo nga.
Anti-aging lang naman yung claim. Di naman ano.
Hindi naman pampabata.
Hey, so you go first, babe. Paano ka naging bata?
Ito is so soft and I feel na moisturize yung skin ko na sobra. Pumuti ako ng 10 times. Parang feeling ko yung mga pimples ko and yung mga ano ko, feeling ko kinuha niya. And sobrang linis kong tao.
Nag-brighten up nga yung skin mo, babe.
Babe, sobrang nag-brighten up yung skin ko. I don't know why, but yun yung na-feel ko. And sobrang sarap niya.
Nung naghihilamos na ako, medyo mahirap siyang tanggalin. Pero in all fairness, natanggal niya lahat yung buo kong makeup. And yung makeup ko kanina, babe, sobrang kapal nun kasi nag-shoot kami. Tapos natanggal niya talaga. Tingnan niyo, wala na akong kilay. Pati yung lash glue, natanggal niya. Sobrang galing. Na-amaze ako.
Parang bakit hindi siya nag-fully?
Yung sobrang lobo.
I mean, when you check yung mga bubble mask ng sa mga iba, para silang manas. Parang ako, bakit yung kay Kat? I was like, staring. I'm staring like that. So anyway, we will know about that pero next time na.
Girl, ang linis ng feeling ko, ikaw ba?
Girl, sobrang fresh ko. Gusto ko ng milk tea.
Ay,
Iba na yan.
ang yan.
Girl, ang fresh mo. Parang may blurring effect. Parang may filter yung mga pagmumukha natin, no? O, hindi ka ba binayaran na para sabihin to? Kabumata ako.
Para sa akin, super duper duper like ko yung bubble mask. Ako, it's 10 over 10 and I really really like it. I love it. Guys, check out Krave Minerale, okay? Iiwan namin yung links nila sa baba, sa description box. Like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel.
Don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. Our Facebook is /JugQueens12 and our Instagram is @jug.queens.
That is all for today. Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you next week. Bye!
Sorry na.
Sinapian
Ano ko ng bata? Nasa bubay mo na. Ay.
Anya, I feel... Anya.